Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, and let me show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's go to left side and tap to settings, so we can open them, and here at the first place we have watermark option, so we have to open it. Now at the second position we can turn on and off device watermark by simply using the button from the right. And as you can see, this is how it works. Now let me keep it, turn it on. Let's move back to camera to take a picture. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to camera, then to right corner options, left settings, tap to watermark, and simply turn it off here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.